Right, today's episode. No, we're starting this over. So we already had this
coulda
episode
edited edit. Fluid.
All right.
Fluid.
All right, Maurice. How do you make your offer stronger for your home buyers? And how do you make the sellers feel more comfortable with your lender's letter compared to somebody else's lender's letter?
All right, so just to give a quick backdrop, this is assuming the COVID market that we're in. Because everything is moving a lot faster and competition is much more fierce than it is in a typical market.
So what do you mean by fierce? I mean, if you're getting 80 offers per house or 10 offers per house, or what's going on?
Rather than doing an offers per house, let me do it this way. COVID is still very much around, and so you have a lot of sellers who are hesitant to put their homes on the market for sale because they're a little leery or uncomfortable with the concept of people coming in and out of their home and not knowing if something is being left lingering behind. For that reason, they're opting not to sell and to sit tight to see what's going to happen.
So there's less of an inventory, I guess.
Right. What that means is for the homeowners that are deciding to sell at this point, they're getting all the buyers competing because there's just not a lot of inventory in comparison to a typical market. Well, there's a house down the street and around the corner and across the way and down the bend. And so time is a crunch. So with all these people submitting at the same time, you're wanting to do something that's going to make your offer stand out to the seller. What can I do to make my offer stand out, to make the seller more comfortable, to make them feel like this is the offer they should choose? In a typical scenario, we are submitting your file for underwriting after you've already secured a executed agreement or a contract, and then it goes to underwriting, and then underwriting reviews your documentation and information and the loan information, and then they come back and say, this is where we are. In a pre-underwrite or a TBD situation, the underwriting of you, the buyer, is happening up front.
Yeah, what Maurice means by TBD is to be decided. So like on the actual file that's being submitted to underwriting, normally they want an address because it's under contract. But a TBD indicates, oh, this is pre-underwriting. So the loan officer submits that with the supporting documentation, W-2s, pay stubs, bank statements, and then the underwriter reviews it and gives out a letter. Now that letter comes from the underwriter or the mortgage company that is has underwritten that file. When Maurice submits it with the offer, if that might be the only offer that's submitted with that was pre-underwritten, it may be. So that's a big plus for that home buyer.
It's a game changer because what it means for the seller is I don't have to wait 30 to 45 days to find out whether or not this particular buyer can actually close on my home. I already know whether or not the buyer can close. What we're waiting on in this situation is the appraisal and whether or not there are any appraisal repairs that the appraiser may find. And that's really what we're waiting for.
And then title and homeowner's insurance, basically. There's a condo, might be a condo docs, but...
but those are things that can happen. Like once we go under contract, those things are taken care of. You're literally taking the underwriting process out of the 30 to 45 days and doing it up front, which means I can turn now, and when I submit your offer, I can say, hey, listen, with a satisfactory appraisal and the other items that typically happen, I can close your file in 2 weeks, 15 days, 17 days.
A lot of lenders are doing that now, just to compete. They're going quicker.
And so, what it gives the homeowner is the peace of mind that I'm not waiting for you to be underwritten and see if. I'm just waiting to make sure that these steps check off, which they typically do. So it's a way for your offer to stand out.
Because a lot of times home buyers or sellers are home buyers somewhere else. They're actually buying a house with the proceeds from the sale of their home. So they want much security as possible.
Or domino effect.
Precisely. So that's basically it. That's how one way that Maurice makes his offer stronger, using a pre-underwritten, aka TBD letter for his home buyers.
Address to be determined.
There we go.